Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Dodge Charger exhaust. First, always prioritize safety by ensuring your vehicle is completely cool before you begin. Gather all your necessary tools, including wrenches, sockets, and some penetrating oil for stubborn bolts. Safely lift your charger using sturdy jack stands on a flat, stable surface. This preparation is crucial for a smooth and secure removal process. Now, let's get to disconnecting. Start by locating the clamps or bolts that connect the various exhaust sections. These can often be quite tight, so apply a generous amount of penetrating oil to any rusted fasteners and let it soak. If your oxygen sensors are obstructing the removal path, carefully detach them. Taking your time here will prevent stripped bolts and unnecessary frustration. With the connections loose, it's time to tackle the exhaust hangers. A pry bar or a dedicated exhaust hanger removal tool will make quick work of those stubborn rubber mounts. As you remove each hanger, be sure to support the exhaust system to prevent it from falling unexpectedly. Carefully maneuver and lower the exhaust sections, working from back to front, until the entire system is free from your Dodge Charger. Once the exhaust is off, take a moment to inspect it for any damage or excessive wear, especially if you plan to reinstall it later. Clean all mounting surfaces thoroughly to ensure a good seal for your new exhaust system. Remember, proper preparation makes installation much smoother. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.